In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to fix the green line issue on Android phones. So, if you're getting this green light issue, there could be either a software issue or a hardware issue. So what we're going to do now is first check if there is a software issue. If it's not a software issue, then it will be a hardware issue. So to do that, firstly, the very first troubleshooting that we're going to do is the basic one, which is restarting. Just restart your phone because sometimes a simple restart will fix up all issues. Okay, so always start with that. Do a restart, and once you do a restart, and next process what we can do is go to your settings. Okay, go to your settings on your phone, and then here what we're going to do is scroll all the way down. Okay, and then you will see a software update option. Tap on the software update option and see if there is any software updates available. Okay, so go click on it and check for any updates. If there is a software update, just download it and install the software. So make sure you have the latest software, because if a software issue, by updating it to the latest version, you can fix up the issue. And if none of these works, then the next step is that it should be mostly a hardware issue, which means an LCD issue. So in that case, then you have to take it to the nearby technician, or you can also contact your manufacturer and then ask them to check, and then you might have to replace the hardware kit. And that's basically pretty much this.